Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another special occasion. So this is another feast, and this one is for my dad's birthday. It was a few days ago, but we couldn't really do this whole fiesta thing because with work and classes and all of that, our schedules have been very hectic. But we've spent all day in the kitchen making all of this, but I'm very happy and satisfied with the result. I'm very proud of all of this, but yeah, it's all Greek themed, so it's all really traditional Greek. Most of it have been made vegetarian because not all of us eat meat in here, so yeah. So first thing is the appetizers, and we have two types of soups. So this is afgolemono, which is a lemon and chicken soup. This one is fasolada, which is made with beans. It has nice carrots, celery, all that good stuff. The main course we have here suzukakia, and this is the vegetarian one. I've already made this in my channel earlier on. Tiropita, which is also available in my channel. And to serve with the suzukakia, here we have the bulgur. And also here we have spanakopita, which is very similar to tiropita, but it has spinach. And here is yemista, which is the stuffed vegetables. And just on the side, because I like to munch on things while eating, so we have two types of olives. This is kalamata olives, which are a type of red olives, and these are Greek stuffed olives with jalapenos. And we have some slices of bread as well as feta cheese. So this is the overall result of a very long day in the kitchen. I'm very happy with all of this, so I hope that you guys like it. I hope that my dad likes it. Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday. So all of these, most of them are up in my channel, and those that are not up are coming soon. I really like it. Unfortunately, it does lack uzu, which is very common in Greek cuisine. It's common to pair food with uzu because it's also a Greek thing, but unfortunately, we're minors. At least I'm a minor, but yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for all of this, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And remember to like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you like my content. And in order to support me to make more content, follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.